Hey guys, today we will show you how you can send an email using Subscribe to. To start, head over to Send Email of the Subscribe to plugin. Set your subject, followed by the main message of your email. You can also send a file of your choice. Then, select the group of recipient who will receive your email. Click on Preview if you want to view a sample of your email. You need to check your email to view the sample. Now click on Send, and your email will be on its way to your subscribers. Here is a sample of what the email will look like. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getemail.io and subscribe to our channel.